However efficient your manufacturing machinery and processes might be, the data that passes through Oracle eBusiness Suite to manage them and track progress is just as vital, and managing it can be a challenge. But there is a data entry mechanism that lets you keep pace with all the efficiencies you've built into your production line, and More4apps EBS Toolbox unleashes it for you, empowering your organization with trustworthy data on time, every time. Use copy and paste and all the advantages of Excel to lay out your process and manufacturing data and upload it to Oracle with a simple button click. Advanced validation maximizes the value of your Oracle data, blocking any bad values from getting in, with real-time checks and clear messaging to aid error resolution. And data entry forms are on hand to help you get the detail right. Corrected records just get re-uploaded. Error reconciliation in its simplest form. There are pre-configured tools for all these areas here, and more, to accelerate data entry across your supply chain. The templates come pre-configured, but More4apps column flexibility makes them adaptable to your data source or process, letting you move columns around and remove unwanted ones completely. Maintaining existing data is easy. Built-in download features let you draw existing Oracle records into your worksheet so you can adjust your values, copy elements from one record to another, or even duplicate your whole item with copy and paste. The possibilities are endless. Then seamlessly update Oracle with your changes with a simple click. Successful manufacturing organizations get a competitive advantage when they maximize the value of their data. Isn't it about time you did too?